In previous class, there are four methods are completed. So dot get method and dot get title. Okay. Next dot get current URL and dot get page source. Okay. Dot get manage also see in the program, but now we will check dot navigate. Okay. So you can see the navigate function, navigate method. Okay. Navigate method declare the WebDriver interface. Okay, and implement in WebDriver class. And this is called as a non-static method using an object of WebDriver interface. So this method is called as no arguments. So navigate method contains there is no arguments in that method. Okay, that method returns the navigation class. See in the navigation method. Okay, here there are so driver dot get it. Okay, and next close quit. Navigate is also there. It. Okay, see this. Okay, this method declares the WebDriver interface and implements in the remote driver class. Okay, and it is called a non-static method and it is create the object of WebDriver interface. Okay, now method takes no arguments. So in the there is no pass the arguments in this method. So this method returns an object navigation class. So how it will be works? Okay, now we can check this. Okay, navigate returns object. Okay, and back returns. Okay, back method returns void, and here forward also returns void, and refresh also returns void. Okay, two method also returns void. Okay, now you can check this in the program. So go to our project. Okay, see src test.java. In that we can create one July package. So navigate method takes the taking the URL as a string to launch the. So దేనికి యూస్ చేస్తాం మనం navigation method is used for to launch the browser. Okay, you can create new class. The class name is navigation one. Okay, and click the checkbox publish static void main string args and click finish. Here we can import Selenium WebDriver and Chrome driver also. Okay, so why means here we can create one object WebDriver interface. Okay, WebDriver is interface and driver is a child class of child class variable and a new Chrome driver. Okay, Chrome driver is a child class constructor. Okay, new keyword is used for to create the object. Okay, child class object. Here we can insert the import the files. Okay, WebDriver interface files. Previously we can check this. Okay, get page source. WebDriver only there is one driver. Here there is no import files. Inserting a WebDriver. Okay. So insert this. Insert the import.java in navigation one. Okay. Please close all these once. Close, close, close. Okay. Touch that one also close. Okay. And import Chrome driver also. So same statement with the Chrome driver. You remove this one web driver, and here we can type Chrome dot Chrome driver. Okay. And you can see the error coming here. So Control Shift you can press this. So import.org dot Selenium QA and Chrome driver and create this. Chrome driver. Okay, error gone. There are three types of navigation methods, driver.get and driver.navigate, and we can create one object for navigation method. So how it will be created? So now we can check this. Okay. The file minutes. ఓకే ఇలా మనం యూఆర్ఎల్తో యూస్ చేసుకొని కూడా మనం క్రియేట్ చేసుకోండి ఆబ్జెక్ట్ క్రియేట్ చేసి కూడా యూస్ చేసుకోవచ్చు మనం సో ఎలా యూస్ చేయాలి రెండు మెథడ్స్ అనేవి మనం ఇప్పుడు చెక్ చేద్దాం సో నో వీ కెన్ చెక్ దిస్ ఓకే సో ఫస్ట్ మనం రాసే మెథడ్ ఏంటి డ్రైవర్ డాట్ గెట్ ఓకే సో డ్రైవర్ డాట్ గెట్ వన్ ఐఆర్సిడి వన్ పేజ్ విల్ బి కమ్ సో హౌ విల్ యాక్సెస్ దట్ పేజ్ సో ఫస్ట్ ఓపెన్ ఓకే అండ్ క్లిక్ ద ఐఆర్సిటిసి ఓకే అండ్ క్లిక్ దట్ పేజ్ copy the URL and paste it. Control C and open Eclipse IDE. Control V. So string is end with semicolon, double quotes. Okay. In between double quotes. Next driver dot navigate method. How it will be works now. Okay. Driver dot navigate. Okay. Here see navigate. Click this dot. ఎక్కడికి పేజ్కి సో టూ వీ కెన్ క్రియేట్ సో టూ రిటర్న్స్ string value okay string URL so here we can access to another website like google.com okay google.com control C and paste it here okay in between the quotations okay every statement is end with semicolon next these two are navigation methods okay and driver.get also give the navigation to that page okay launch the browser and driver.navigate.to also launch the browser okay now another method is okay another we can create an object so first create object and access the variables okay so create URL so my URL is child class object name and a new is a keyword and for URL so in that URL we can paste the another website link like okay web browser page NOP commerce okay so check this control C okay copy this NOP commerce and paste in between the quotations double quotes sorry control Z okay so here navigate to that page so we can write driver dot navigate method okay driver dot navigate method click on navigation option dot to so here we can give also string click type to okay in this brace we can pass the variable so URL which we stored in the my URL child class variable so we can access that navigation page from this child class object here it shows error okay now you can import URL here so import means cursor on the URL so here import statement will be displayed okay so click that import okay import will become here okay and next sorry my URL like this you can create object name wrong URL okay so Again, it shows error. Why it shows error? Save this. So here there is throws the exception function like so cursor on this and add throws declaration. Okay. So it here malformed URL exception is accepted. Now error will be gone. Okay. And save the file and run it once. So first IRCTC page will be displayed. After that the google.com will be page displayed. After that no commerce page will be displayed. Okay. First your IRCTC page. Okay. Click OK. Next it will be okay. ఫస్ట్ ఐఆర్సిటీజీ పేజ్ మనకు ఓపెన్ అయింది. సో ఆ ఐఆర్సిటీజీ పేజ్ తర్వాత మనకు అది లోడ్ అయ్యి నెక్స్ట్ పేజ్ ఏంటి మనకి google.com పేజ్. సో google.com పేజ్ రావాలి. ఓకే google.com పేజ్ వచ్చింది. సో ఆఫ్టర్ google.com పేజ్ తర్వాత నో కామర్స్ పేజ్. ఓకే 3 pages విల్ బి డిస్ప్లేడ్ ఆటోమేటికల్లీ. ఓకే అండ్ హియర్ వెయిట్. There are 3 facilities for launching. First one is driver.get. Okay. And next one driver.navigate to, and after that we can create an object and that object to navigate. Okay, there are 3 facilities: facility 1, facility 2, facility 3. Okay, this is here we can see URL is like a strike. Okay, there is a risk for this object, creation of the object. That's why you don't follow this method. Okay, so that way we are accepting only one object, that object to passing the methods. Okay, the 3 applications are launching. IRCTC application launched, Google application launched, okay, Knob Commerce application launched. Use any one method to launch the application. There are 3 methods. Okay, use any one method. There are use any one method to launch the application. There are 3 methods. Okay, choose only one. So what is the difference between get and navigation to? Okay, so the get and navigation to method. In get method we need to pass the string URL launch. Okay, here we can pass the string. Okay, string URL launch and to launch the application. If we use navigate, here also method can be launched the application by passing string by passing string URL and create by object using URL also. Okay, so get method you can cursor on this get, you can string pass the URL string. Okay, so in get method we need to pass string URL to launch the application. So in navigate method, if you use navigate.to method, we can launch the application by passing string URL or creating one object URL. Okay, so navigate to method internally calling the navigate to method is internally calling the get method. Okay, so navigate method ఇక్కడ మనకి ఏంటంటే ఫస్ట్ గెట్ మెథడ్ అనేది ఒక స్ట్రింగ్ యూఆర్ఎల్ పాస్ చేస్తుంది. నావిగేట్ మెథడ్ అనేది ఏదైనా స్ట్రింగ్ అన్న పాస్ చేస్తుంది యూఆర్ఎల్, లేదంటే మనకి క్రియేట్ అయ్యే ఒక ఆబ్జెక్ట్ని క్రియేట్ చేసుకొని దాంట్లో వేరియబుల్ స్టోర్ చేసుకుని దాని నుంచి అయినా కూడా మనం పాస్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. 2 మెథడ్స్. ఓకే, యాక్చువల్లీ 3 ఫెసిలిటీస్ అని చెప్పాం, 3 కాదు. సో ఇంటర్వ్యూ ఆస్క్ ద క్వశ్చన్ వీ కెన్ టెల్ ది there is 2 facilities for launching the web application. Okay, here we can see now forward and backward switching with help of navigation commands. So Selenium is running very fastly and application loading is slowly. I am an automation tester. I will give the instructions to Selenium. Hello Selenium, please wait 10 seconds and synchronization Selenium. With the method is called as synchronization Selenium. So here Selenium is running very fastly. So application loading is very slow process. Actually you can see in the output also. Okay, it is running slowly one by one page. Okay, so close this. Now what is Selenium default waiting time? Okay, Selenium ki oka default waiting time edana untada. So default waiting time ante there is default time of Selenium is 0 seconds. There is no default time for Selenium. Okay, Selenium don't wait for any object. You need to create waiting time. So capturing the titles in the console. Now you can see that in the another program. Here creating one object file, new class. Okay, navigation to. So give the name like nav to. So click the checkbox public static void main string args page. Okay. Here we can copy the WebDriver methods like okay, same program will be same. So almost here also we can same. So now copy this and remove this and paste it here. Okay. Removed, control V, paste it here. So nav to actually the class name is navigation to. Store something error. So there is no closure braces. That's why it shows up. Okay, okay. Okay. Errors will be gone. Here. So first one is so first we can create one interface like WebDriver. Okay. In that create one child class object, child class variable like a driver, and a new is used for creating class. Okay, like or new is used for creating object. Sorry. So Chrome driver is a child class. Okay. Here we can launch the application. Okay. First, waiting for the time duration is 10 seconds. So we will give like this driver dot, okay, manage method. This is manage dot driver dot manage dot timeout. So how much time it takes? Like, so sorry, timeout. Driver dot manage dot, okay, timeouts dot. So implicitly, but there are so many methods. Like the here we can select implicitly duration time method. So type here duration dot of seconds, duration dot of seconds. So 10 seconds for each page. Okay. So automation testers are create this WebDriver manage timeout simplicity wait time duration of seconds 10. Okay. Next we can navigate to no commerce page. So here copy this. Sorry, Control X. Okay. Paste here navigation page like no commerce. So copy this no commerce. Okay. Control C no commerce. In between string can type like this. Nobcommerce.com. Okay. Next, navigate to, okay. Next, first navigate to knob commerce page, and after that navigate to IRCTC page. Okay. After we can get like small program driver dot, okay, navigate back, navigate function method like back. Okay. And print the current URL. So print current URL like first URL system dot out dot println println and driver dot get current URL. Okay, so print this. So next driver dot navigate. Okay, driver dot navigate. Next forward function, forward method. Okay, forward method end with semicolon. Next here we can print also second URL out dot println println. Okay, driver dot, okay, get current URL. Now after creation like this, next refresh driver dot navigate dot refresh. సో నేను ఇక్కడ ఏం చేస్తున్నానంటే ఫస్ట్ నాప్ కామర్స్ పేజ్ని లాంచ్ చేస్తాను. సో ఆఫ్టర్ దట్ వీ కెన్ లాంచ్ ది ఐఆర్సిటిసి పేజ్. ఓకే, నాప్ కామర్స్ పేజ్ నుంచి ఒకే దాంట్లో ఇది మొత్తం జరుగుతుంది. సో నాప్ కామర్స్ పేజ్ నుంచి ఐఆర్సిటిసి పేజ్కి వచ్చింది, మళ్ళీ సిటిసి పేజ్ నుంచి మళ్ళీ బ్యాక్ యూజ్ చేస్తుంది. అంటే ఏమవుతుంది, మళ్ళీ నాప్ కామర్స్ పేజ్కి వెళ్తుంది. సో మళ్ళీ నాప్ కామర్స్ పేజ్ నుంచి మళ్ళీ ఫార్వర్డ్ చేస్తుంది, అంటే మళ్ళీ ఎక్కడికి వస్తుంది, మళ్ళీ ఐఆర్సిటిసి పేజ్కి వస్తుంది. ఆఫ్టర్ కమింగ్ దట్ ఐఆర్సిటిసి పేజ్, ఓకే, దెన్ హియర్ ఇక్కడ ఇది ఏమవుతుందంటే రీఫ్రెష్ అవుతుంది. ఇది మొత్తం జరగడానికి ప్రాసెస్ ఎంత ఇచ్చాను నేను, 10 seconds ఇచ్చాను ఈచ్ దానికి. ఓకే, సో అది మనకి కరెక్ట్గా రన్ అవుతుందా అనేది మనం చూద్దాం ఇప్పుడు. ఓకే, నౌ యూ కెన్ సేవ్ ద ఫైల్ అండ్ రన్ ఇట్. So first knob commerce page is launched. So 10 seconds. After that long, okay, knob commerce page, IRCTC page will be opened. Okay, then again back to knob commerce page, and then after forward to మళ్ళీ IRCTC page, then refresh also. ఓకే, రీఫ్రెష్ కూడా అయింది, ఇక్కడ రీఫ్రెష్ తిరుగుతుంది కదా, రీఫ్రెష్ అంతే. సో ఒక దాంట్లోనే మొత్తం రన్ అవుతుంది మనకి. ఇక్కడ మీకు ఇవి కూడా వస్తాయి చూడండి, ఏమేమి లాంచ్ అయ్యాయి. ఓకే, గూగుల్ నాప్ కామర్స్ పేజ్ లాంచ్ అయింది, ఐఆర్సిటిసి పేజ్ లాంచ్ అయింది. సో ఇట్ ఈస్ షోస్ ఇన్ ది కన్సోల్. ఓకే, సో ఫస్ట్ క్యాప్చరింగ్ ఫస్ట్ యూఆర్ఎల్ లైక్ దిస్. ఓకే, ఫస్ట్ యూ కెన్ క్యాప్చర్ దిస్ యూఆర్ఎల్. సో నెక్స్ట్ క్యాప్చరింగ్ సెకండ్ యూఆర్ఎల్. ఓకే, సో ఫస్ట్ నాప్ కామర్స్ అప్రోచ్ ఈజ్ లాంచ్డ్, దెన్ సెకండ్ ఐఆర్సిటిసి అప్లికేషన్ ఈజ్ లాంచ్డ్. ఆఫ్టర్ దట్ బ్యాక్ టు నాప్ కామర్స్ అప్లికేషన్, అగైన్ ఫార్వర్డ్ టు IRCTC application, then refresh the IRCTC application. Okay, it's like capturing first application, capturing second application. Okay, first URL, second URL, capturing that. So implicitly wait. What is the use for implicitly wait? Okay, it won't wait. It won't wait. So now here we can use any thread slip like on command thread dot. Okay, one method like thread dot sleep. Okay, sleep is also come here. Okay, so thread dot sleep. Now here we can give 5,000. So it is strictly wait 5 seconds. If you give thread dot sleep method in the program, if you give thread dot sleep method, this strictly wait. Okay, strictly wait 5 seconds. Okay, here a sleep method like this, red dot sleep. So actually here a change after to sleep. Okay, so but in real time don't use this method. Okay, real time don't use this thread dot sleep. So it is only explanation purpose only. Actually it is used for explanation purpose, so never used in real time. So now every statement moves slowly. Why means it is mandatory to wait, strictly to wait 5 seconds. Okay, 5 seconds. It will wait 30 minutes either object is visible or not. Okay, it will wait 30 minutes after either object is visible or not. It is strictly waited mentioned in that time. That's why don't use thread dot sleep method in real time. Okay, so action is action is interface and actions is a class. So like that. Now you can use now you can see window handle method. Okay, window handle WebDriver method. So Windows handle returns nothing. Okay, here you can see navigation after completed. Here Windows handle and Windows handles. So two methods. So first one we can see Windows handle method. Okay, it is a singular, so we can get to only one window. It is singular, we can get to only one window. There is no method not takes any arguments. Okay, it is a combination of integer plus string formats. Okay, it is a combination of integer plus string formats. It returns string method. Okay, so now we can see the application, like we can run the program. Get handle can create one class. So previously run this is closed. Okay, so class name, okay, window 1, Windows handle 1. Okay, VWN DOW window handle one. You can create one. Okay, click the checkbox public static void main string logs. Now can remove this. Okay. So here insert WebDriver, Chrome driver. Selenium import files. Control C. Or otherwise click Shift Control plus Shift plus O. You will automatically come here. Okay. So create WebDriver interface. WebDriver. Okay. Next driver is child class variable. And new is created for object. And the child class. Okay, is Chrome driver. Is a child class. Okay. Now driver dot navigate to. Okay. Driver dot navigate to. So which page? Like uh, here Knob commerce page. Okay, we can use Knob commerce page. HTTPS Control C. Okay, Control in between quotations, double quotes. We can give like this. Then we create. Okay, get window handle. So how it will be create. So driver dot get. See this. Get handles returns string. So get window handles returns set string. So first get window handle. So now you can select this and with semicolon. So get window handle methods are stored in one variable. So the variable name is window ID. You can give like this. So whatever you give, okay, window ID. So window ID means it is string. Actually, cursor on this, it returns string. So that's why here we mentioned string string. String will be mentioned here. Okay, now remove the space. Okay, and now we can paste this window handles method. Paste. Okay, print the method like system dot out dot printl and println. Okay, so give the variable name window id is the variable name. So end with semicolon and save this. Run this. It gives returns string or not. Okay. So window handle gives returns to string or not, or give a single window or not. So check this. Save the file and run it. Okay. So no commerce page will be displayed. Running. Okay. No commerce page will be opened. Now here, this is the window ID in the form of string format. Actually, this is the string format. Okay. We select this like control plus click. What is this? We can see this. Control plus click. Okay. So WebDriver class will be able to here see this. Get window handle is send the future commands to a different frame window and return a target locator which you can be used in the frame window. Okay. Now you can see this concept in a locator concept. Okay. So you check this overall which methods can you use, which okay data types are used. Say all are available in this. Okay, click control plus mouse pointer cursor click. Okay, now you can see get windows handles method. Okay, handles method now you can see. So get dot windows handle first we can launch the application in parent window, and second we can launch the application in child window. So what is the difference between those two? We can use the w3schools.com. Okay, check this. W3 schools. Okay, now can erase this. Okay, one page will be open. Okay, here see this. So I can click that, try it yourself, and another child window will open. This is the parent window. Okay, this is the parent window. I can click the try it yourself. The child window will be opened. Okay, in new tab. So it is working or not. Now we can check in the program. This is the get window handles. We can handle n number of windows. Okay, get window handle method means it can access only one. Okay, it gives the single window. We can use the get window handle. We can use number of windows. Can give the number of windows. We can use get window handles method. Okay, first we can write the program, and it is a kind of like similarly collection concept in Java. It is a single window means we can use a string, and more than one window means we can use set string. Okay, so first we can create. Okay, can create another class. The package, go to package and create a class with the class name get window handles. Okay, window handle to, okay, click public static void main strings and click finish. After finish this, we can import the web driver and Chrome driver packages like Control C, copy and paste it here. Okay, can write the web driver interface like this command also. Okay, the navigation page also you can take this. Control C and paste it here. Okay, in the driver.navigate we can remove this string and paste it here at w3schools.com. Okay, the previous output, close it. Okay, w3schools.com, Control C and paste it here, Control V. Okay, see here. So first here identify the try itself web element and click OK. Click on it and click on it. మనం ఏం చేస్తున్నాం, ఫస్ట్ ఒక వెబ్ ఎలిమెంట్ ఓపెన్ చేస్తున్నాం. అక్కడ వెబ్ ఎలిమెంట్ కనిపిస్తుందని మనం క్లిక్ చేస్తే నెక్స్ట్ చైల్డ్ విండో ఓపెన్ అవుతుందో లేదో అని చెక్ చేస్తాం. ఓకే, చూస్తాం ఫస్ట్ డ్రైవర్ డాట్ ఫైండ్ ఎలిమెంట్. ఫస్ట్ ఫైండ్ ద ఎలిమెంట్. సో ఫైండ్ ఎలిమెంట్ మెథడ్. Find elements or element. You can use only one element like. Okay, here what is null that by dot. Okay, link test. Okay, string null and here type the string. So ఇక్కడ మనకి స్ట్రింగ్ ఏముంది, ఏది క్లిక్ చేస్తే మనకి నెక్స్ట్ పేజ్కి వెళ్తుంది. ట్రై ఇట్ యువర్ సెల్ఫ్. ఇది స్ట్రింగ్. ఈ స్ట్రింగ్ ని క్లిక్ చేయాలి అని రాస్తున్నాం మనం ఇక్కడ. అర్థమైందా? ఫస్ట్ ఫైండ్ ద ఎలిమెంట్ అండ్ ఫైండ్ ద ఎలిమెంట్ బై లింక్ టెక్స్ట్. దిస్ ఈస్ ద లింక్ టెక్స్ట్ అండ్ క్లిక్ ఇట్. ఓకే, ట్రై ఇట్ యువర్ సెల్ఫ్. ఇట్ విల్ బి ఓపెన్ సబ్ క్లాస్. ఓకే, చైల్డ్ క్లాస్. సో టైప్ దిస్ ట్రై ఇట్ యువర్ సెల్ఫ్ హియర్. సారీ, in Eclipse IDE, try it. Okay, yourself, Y capital, YOURSEL. Okay, try it yourself on click. So we can use here click. Okay, so now we can use get handles method. Driver dot get handles. There are two methods are there. We can select. Okay, so first one just remove it. Driver dot get. See this here. Get Windows. See this. Get Windows handles returns set string for web driver. Set string. Okay, so close this semicolon with, and we can store the get Windows handles method in one variable. So variable name Windows, like WIDS Windows. Sorry, this WI Windows. So here we can use set string. Okay. Already it will be displayed cursor on the Windows handles method. Okay. Set string string. Okay. So after this, we can print this Windows handles method like a system dot out dot printl and printer. So variable name widths. Okay. See this here error shows. Why means set method. Okay. So can set this cursor on this. We can import set dot java to like. Okay. Okay. Set dot created. Now we can save the file and run it. So set string methods are will be displayed or not. First no W3 schools page will be open and automatically it will open. Okay, this page. Check this URL first you can see this output. Okay, what will be run in the web application. First W3 open after that when okay when వెంటనే మనకి ఏదైతే మీకు చైల్డ్ క్లాస్ ఇచ్చామో పేరెంట్ క్లాస్ నుంచి డైరెక్ట్ గా చైల్డ్ క్లాస్ అనేది క్లిక్ అయిపోయి ఓపెన్ అయింది మనం అదే రాసాం ఓకే సో output will be displayed and here two strings first one is okay parent and the second one is for child okay so this is the so here we can complete get method get title okay get current URL get page source okay get navigation okay navigation method completed and get dot window handle get dot window handles dot get window handles so here we can complete also manage method also we can complete it okay so see you tomorrow.